Greetings and a warm welcome to our channel. In today's session, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of nutrition, delving deep into the incredible realm of iron-rich foods. If you've been grappling with low energy levels or persistent fatigue, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we unveil a lineup of top-notch foods abundant in iron, ready to breathe new life into your diet and elevate your general state of health and vitality. Remember, the information provided here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice. Feeling tired and low on energy can really put a damper on your day-to-day activities. But fear not, because iron-rich foods can work wonders in combating fatigue and giving you that much-needed boost. So, what exactly is iron, and why is it so important? Iron is an essential mineral that plays a critical role in the production of hemoglobin, a protein in our red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout our bodies. When our iron levels are low, it can lead to a condition called iron deficiency anemia, resulting in fatigue, weakness, and even difficulty concentrating. Thankfully, there are plenty of delicious and accessible nutrient-rich foods that can provide us with the iron our bodies need. Coming in as number one on our list is spinach. And if you ever wondered why Popeye loved it so much, get ready to find out. Spinach is an incredible source of not just one, but several essential nutrients that can greatly enhance our overall well-being. Let's begin with iron. Spinach is undoubtedly one of the best plant-based sources of this vital mineral. Iron plays a crucial role in our bodies by helping transport oxygen and producing energy. The high iron content in spinach can be especially beneficial if you're looking to increase your iron levels or combat iron deficiency. But spinach doesn't stop there. It's also packed with two other important nutrients, folate and vitamin C. Folate, or vitamin B9, is essential for cell division and DNA formation. It supports tissue growth and is especially important during periods of rapid cell growth, such as pregnancy or adolescence. But why is vitamin C important when it comes to spinach? Well, this antioxidant powerhouse actually enhances the absorption of iron in our bodies. It helps convert the non-heme iron found in plants, like spinach, into a more easily absorbable form. So, in a way, it gives a boost to iron's superpowers. Incorporating spinach into your diet can be incredibly simple. You can add it to your salads, sauté it as a side dish, blend it into smoothies, or even use it in your favorite pasta dishes. Next up, we have lentils. Did you know that lentils are not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients? One key nutrient found in lentils is iron. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout our bodies, promoting healthy blood circulation, and aiding in energy production. And guess what? Lentils are a great plant-based source of iron. Whether you're a vegetarian or simply looking to increase your intake of plant-based protein, lentils are a fantastic option. They are not only rich in protein, but also provide a wide range of amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Including lentils in your meals can help you meet your protein needs, support muscle growth, and maintenance. Now let's talk about quinoa. This trendy grain is not only a complete protein, but also an excellent source of iron. Quinoa can easily be substituted for rice or pasta, and it's a great alternative for those who are gluten intolerant. Incorporating quinoa into your diet can provide a significant iron boost. Now it's time to discuss lean red meat. Beef and lamb are rich in iron, particularly heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by our bodies. These meats are also excellent sources of protein, zinc, and vitamin B12. Remember to choose lean cuts and enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. So far, we've explored 4 incredible iron-rich foods, but there are more to come. Remember, it's essential to have a varied diet to ensure you're meeting your iron needs. So let's continue with our list. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are not only flavorful but also powerhouses of iron. These nutrient-dense legumes can be incorporated into salads, hummus, or even roasted as a crunchy snack. With their high iron content, chickpeas are a fantastic addition to any vegetarian or vegan diet. Now let's talk about pumpkin seeds, a small yet mighty source of iron. These little guys are not only delicious but also packed with various nutrients, including iron. Snack on them alone nor sprinkle them over your salads, oatmeal, or yogurt to give your body an extra iron boost. Up next, we have oysters. Did you know that just 6 medium-sized oysters can provide you with almost your entire daily iron needs? Oysters are also great sources of zinc and vitamin B12. Incorporate them into your diet, and not only will you be boosting your iron levels, but you'll also be supporting a healthy immune system. Who said indulgence can't be healthy? Dark chocolate not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but is also a rich source of iron. Opt for dark chocolate with a higher percentage of cocoa to enjoy the maximum benefits. Remember, moderation is key. Tofu, often considered a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets, is an excellent source of plant-based iron. Made from soybeans, tofu is versatile and can be incorporated into stir-fries, soups, or even grilled as a main dish. It not only provides iron but also offers a good amount of protein. Sunflower seeds, those tasty little snacks, also happen to be a great source of iron. Packed with nutrients, they can be enjoyed as a quick pick-me-up during the day or added to your baked goods, salads, or trail mixes for an iron boost. You might be surprised to learn that broccoli is not only a low-calorie vegetable but also a great source of iron. Steam or roast this cruciferous powerhouse to maximize its nutritional content and incorporate it into your meals regularly. If you're looking for a quick and convenient way to boost your iron intake, fortified cereals might be the answer. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with iron to support your dietary needs. Just make sure to check the labels and go for the ones with lower sugar content. Pumpkin, a fall favorite, is not just for decorations or pies. It also happens to be a wonderful source of iron. Incorporate pumpkin into your diet by roasting it, adding it to soups, or even baking it into delicious muffins. Black beans, also known as turtle beans, are not only rich in iron but also loaded with protein and fiber. These beans make for a versatile ingredient in various dishes like soups, stews, or as a filling for tacos. Add them to your pantry and boost your iron intake. Last, but certainly not least, we have sardines. These tiny fish may not be everyone's favorite, but they are incredibly nutritious. Sardines are packed with iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Enjoy them on toast, in salads, or as part of a pasta dish to give your body a nutrient-packed iron boost. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the top 15 high iron foods that can transform your diet and support your overall well-being. Remember, incorporating these iron-rich foods into your meals can help you supercharge your energy levels and fight fatigue. I hope you found this guide informative and inspiring. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more helpful content, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.